Good morning, class 5, question number 6. It's me. Mr. Pinto brought a car for rupees 80,000 and spent 15,000 on its repair. Then he sold it for 95,000. Did he make profit or loss? So, the cost of the car is 80,000. Money spent on the car is 15,000. So, now we have to know the total cost. The total cost of the car will be 80,000 plus 15,000. It will be 95,000. So if the after repairing the CP of the car is 95,000 and he have sold the car also in 95,000, that means he have made neither any profit nor any loss. So the answer will be no profit, no loss. Okay. Next question. Again, same thing. Harry brought an old scooter for 28,000. He spent 5,789 on its new tire, headlight and brakes. Later, he sold it for 30,879 rupees to his friend. Find out here how much he made profit or loss. The cost of an old scooter is 28,000. And money extra he spent on it is 5,789.75 paisa. So total cost of the scooter will be 33 rupees 789 because we will add the cost price and the money spent on it and 75 paisa. Now he sold the scooter in 30,879 rupees. So what is his profit? Did he make profit or loss? No. Profit or loss, he made a loss because the SP is lesser than CP. So he made a loss of 2,910 rupees. 2,910 rupees 75 paisa. We subtract it and we get the answer. Like here also, after adding, we are saying that both are same. So there is no loss, no gain. But here we can find that after repairing the CP of the scooter is becoming more than the SP. That means it is loss. Now question number 8. Vegetables vendor purchased 50 kgs of tomato for rupees 100, out of which 5 kg of tomatoes were spoiled. He sold the remaining for 24 kgs par. That means 1 kg at rupees 24. Then I have to find out that did he made a profit or loss? If yes, then how much? So let's do it. As we did this sum 3, 5, it will be in this way. 4 I think you are able to do. It's very easy. Brought at 700, sold at 900. That means there is a profit of 200. Isn't it? I think you have made it. Done the sum. So now let me do 8 for you. So first what will you write? Cost of 50 kg tomato is rupees 900 and sold per kg for rupees 24. How much tomatoes have been spoiled? 5 kg. That means how much tomatoes are left with the person? It will be 50 minus 5, it will be 45 kg. That means this 45 kgs of tomatoes he have sold per kg in 24. Then what will be the CP of this 45 kgs of tomato? Then the selling price of the 45 kgs of tomatoes will be, not CP, sorry, SP, will be 45 into 24 because we know that we were told that 1 kg was 24. So 45 into 24, it will be 1,080 rupees. That means he sold 45 of kgs of tomatoes in 180 rupees. 1080 is the SP. So if 1080 is the SP, then CP is 900. Then we will do subtraction and we are finding that it is 180 rupees profit. So the answer will be, therefore, yes, a profit of rupees 180 he made. He made a profit of rupees 180. I think this is okay for you and you can do it. Listen the explanation nicely so that the other sums you can do nicely. Also keep it in mind that you have to write the statements. Without statements your sums will be wrong. So write the statements properly. Do the sums in your copy.